Hi, Ben here, and we're down in the craft lab where we've got all our woodworking equipment set up. So we've got our pole lathe and our shave horse, and where you've probably seen us produce some greenwood videos, so making the babies rattle and making that rounders bat that we did the other day. So half the battle with green woodworking is not only nice fresh green timber but also very sharp tools. So we wanted to show you how to actually regrind and hone the main essential chisels that you're going to need on the pole lathe. Now, this set of 4 chisels is what I use on the lathe for pretty much turning everything. You don't have to have exactly the same tools as what I've got. You may have picked up second-hand ones from a car boot sale, but pretty much with this set of 4 you'll be able to do all major turning. If you wanted to, you can actually see us use these 4 chisels on our introduction to green woodwork, where we actually made a 3-beaded Windsor chair leg, so you can see these tools in action. Interesting thing about these chisels, I just realised that I've had these since I was about 17. So when I was 17, I started my apprenticeship with Mike Abbott and Gudrun Lights, learning green woodwork skills, and I made Mike some pole lathe cranks and I swapped them for this set of 4 chisels. So it was a kind of big investment for me as a teenager, but yeah, you buy quality tools at the very early stage and they'll be with you for a lifetime. So I've produced, I hate to think how many hundreds of rounders bats and babies rattles with these chisels, and obviously they're a little bit shorter now from regrinding and sharpening, but yeah, buy quality kit and it'll serve you well, really. So rather than bombard you with sharpening all these chisels in one go, we thought it'd be a great idea that if we actually break them down into categories. So we'll have like a reference, so you'll be able to go on there, click on the relevant video. So if you want to know how to sharpen your roughing out gouge, you'll be able to click that video and follow it right through step by step. Or if you need to know how to sharpen your skew chisel, you'll be able to click on that video as well. So a bit of a reference this point, so you'll be able to click on the relevant videos from here and see exactly what to do with each chisel. So yeah, let's get started, get set up, and we'll show you how to sharpen the first chisel.